It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am going to be doing a first impressions slash wear test of the new, trying to make sure I have it right, of the new Fenty Beauty Ease Drop blurring skin tints. And I have two shades here in my hand. I have the shade 19 and I have the shade 20. I wasn't sure which shade I would be, so I bought two. Even though it's supposed to span across a wide skin range. So if you guys want to see how I feel about it and my first impressions as well as the wear test, just keep watching. Also, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share my videos so that we can keep the content rolling and I can get you what you like here on this channel. So again, I am trying the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. It retails for $29.50 and it comes in 25 shades. And I have the shade 20 and I have the shade 19 based off of what they said that the range that it would fit. It says it is a lightweight buildable light to medium coverage skin tint that leaves skin looking blurred and smooth in flexible shades for all. The cover is light, the finish is natural, free of parabens and phthalates. It is also vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free if you so care. I read what is on here. It says this is an easy to apply flexible skin tint Rihanna wanted to create. It quickly and visibly evens out your complexion with a blurred effect. The Hydro Blend Complex and Humidity, Sweat, and Transfer Resistant formula has a smooth texture that layers well with primer and skincare. So, shake well and apply a few drops with fingers or the full body foundation brush, which is so separately made to layer with your skincare and primer. So we are going to see how this looks on my skin. So I already have on my moisturizer and SPF. And I'm going to go ahead and prime with the matte putty primer and the poreless putty primer. And I'm just going to take the matte putty primer on my forehead here and on my nose and chin. That is where I get the oiliest. But then I'm going to take the poreless putty primer and put that in the center of my face and a little around my mouth. And I'm just going to press it in. Sorry, I have my mirror right here. That's why I'm looking off that way. And then just a little around the mouth. There we go. I am going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Let that primer sink in a bit. That was it for the quick brows. I'm going for a light coverage. And I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer first. And put some on my eyelids just to get something on there. going to go ahead and open them both, even though I think 20 might really be like my color. So so here they both are, right here. This is 20 and this is 19. Go ahead and shake both of them up. Camera cut off while I was in the middle of shaking this. So that is the color 20 that I think I'm going to go ahead and go with. Let's just pour 19 here. So we have 19 and we have 20, but I'm going to go ahead and go with 20. So there we go, one side of my face. And again, it is supposed to be lightweight, but I don't want to apply it with my fingers. Oh, taking the wrong color here. Let's just see how it looks. 19 doesn't look too bad on me either. It's 19 just right there in the center, since I have it here. So I can definitely see why, like, you wouldn't want to apply this with a sponge, because it is so liquidy. Looks good, looks good. I'm liking it, so yeah, I like it. So if you stamp it in, I feel like you get a little bit more coverage. And that is 19 that I'm putting there. I could see myself wearing this one, but I think I would get 21 for the summer, because I'm already slightly getting darker. Alright, so there we have 20 and 19 on my face. How much? Whatever. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I'll take you guys along with me because it's going to be a short journey. I am going to take LYS's High Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush in Inspire. And that's what that looks like. And I really don't want to apply this with my phalange. go ahead and with a brush set that off. Why is it that blush is never, ever, ever even? Alright, and I am going to go ahead and quickly set my under eye. And I think I'm going to go around the perimeter of my face and set. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder under my eye. And on my eyelid to set that in place. And now just go around my perimeter because I am going to bronze. I don't even know I tried. And then just a little where I tend to get lightly. And I have two bronzers. I'm not sure which one I want to go in with. I think I'll do this one. Oh, it is the LYS No Limits Matte Bronzer in Dark. I love these brushes. They're so soft. Alright guys, so I'm back. And it is now officially 12 o'clock. And yeah, we're going to wear this all day. Like literally this is going to be on all day. And I like the way my face looks. Like, I really do. It's not a lot of coverage, but I still really enjoy it. My skin looks very, very good. I think I am going to go ahead and get 21. Yeah, I love 20 as it is, but I'm also going to get 21 and return 19, even though the center of my face looks great. Let me pull you guys, or get on closer. Let me pull you guys in closer, so closer than close. All right, so we're close. You guys can see my face. This is my forehead. If you see like a little bit of texture, oh well, it's texture. But also Still recovering a little bit from the KVD foundation. I'll link it above. And so yeah, but overall, like it. Ignore the mustache. I still didn't get that. Yeah, I don't have much to say about it. So far, I like it. Light coverage. Yeah. Nothing good or bad to say about it so far. I like it. This is a tint, like it said. And it's going to be great for the summer, especially if it is actually transfer and sweat proof. So yeah, I'll check in again with you guys in a couple of hours and we'll see where we're at. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm back and it is now about 10:30 and I have had this on for 10.5 hours, I do believe. And this is what my face is now looking like. I am oily, but I actually still have some blush on here. My eyebrows are still on, and I was outside. So yeah, my last thoughts about this. Alright, so my thoughts about this skin tint is that I really like it, and it's really good. I am going to go and get shade 21 because I have 19 and 20, and I know that 20 is like pretty much my color now, and 21 will be better. The more tan I get, the more I go outside. So all in all, I give it 2 thumbs up. I really do like it, and I think you guys should check it out. It's only 29 something, 29 and some change. I don't know the exact price, and it is at Sephora, so go check it out, especially with the Sephora spring sale with who is it? Beauty Insider gets 10%. So if you're a Beauty Insider, and then you have VIB, and then you have VIB Rouge. VIB is 15% off, and VIB Rouge is 20% off. So if you can, if you want to try it, pick it up during that sale if you don't have it right now. I do highly, highly, highly recommend it, especially for the summertime, because it's very lightweight. So yeah, that's all that I have to say about this foundation. So until next time, guys, bye.